So automatically third angle will also be equal, right? Automatically. So C would also be equal to R. So when these conditions are satisfied, right, in triangle
So we
ABC
have to
and
prove that A is equal to P, B is equal to Q, and C is equal to what?
now these will be given, right? You don't have to, these angles will be given. And so that you can directly say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR by AA, or you can write a triple A criteria. So this is the first thing, right? And converse is also true. So if you have a similar triangle, then it will have all the angles equal. That we have understood already, right? That is the property of similarity. So this is one property. Second property is SSS criteria. So what is SSS criteria? So if we have two triangles and it is given that in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, you have AB by PQ. This is equal to BC by QR, and this is equal to AC by PR. So all the sides are proportional. Then triangle ABC, that would be similar to triangle PQR by SSS criteria. This
Is
is
it fine if we write after AB by PQ equal to AC by PR then equal to BC by Q?
yeah. So you are AB by PQ and then what?
It's equal to AC by PR, like
Yeah,
just
whatever way. So
write
whatever.
is.
Yeah, the corresponding. So AB by the corresponding sides should be proportional, right? You can write in any manner. So you can write AB by PQ, you can write AC by PR, whatever manner. You can write it first, or you can write this in the last. So whatever way. Yeah. So but three sides should be proportional. So this is the second criteria. Third one is SAS criteria. And what is the SAS criteria? That you have
Angles.
yeah, you have two triangles, and this angle and this is very crucial. And this side, this side, this side, this side. So the two sides and the angle should be between that side, not this angle. This angle should not be there. Only the sides and between that side. So in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, if you have AB by PQ, this is equal to AC by PR. This is first thing. Second thing is angle A equal to angle B. So triangle ABC, that would be similar to triangle PQR and by SAS property or criteria. So these are
So
the
in SAS there is two sides, right?
Yeah, two sides.
So,
One is this, one this.
so yeah, okay. So there are two sides.
Yeah, there are only two. The third one is not there, right? Only.
How about the basin?
Yeah, base can be right if you have these conditions, right? If you have these
So
conditions,
suppose can we write instead of AB by PQ, BC by QR equal to AC by PR?
yeah. So if we write BC by PR, yes, you are telling me to write this is BC A Q R. So what are the sides that you are telling me that they are proportional? One is BC
AC
by
by QR,
BC by QR and the other side
AC by PR.
AC by PR. So then what should be the angle? Then this should be the angle, right? Clear?
Okay,
From
depends on the side that is going to be the angle.
yeah, so it depends on the sides. If we are using SAS criteria, so that angle should be between those sides which are proportional, right? So the angle should not be somewhere else. The angle made by those two corresponding sides, that should be clear.
Yes.
Okay, so these are the similarity criterions that we will use in this chapter. And yeah, you please note it down and then start note it down. Yeah, whenever you want me to scroll down, please.
You can scroll. Hello?
Yes, done.
Hello?
Yes, yes, can you hear me? Yes, yes, Rifa, can you hear me? Yes,
Yeah,
Rifa,
yeah, no. Yeah, yeah, now I can.
done. Yes,
Yes, finished.
okay, so now let us try questions. What do we have? Remember, in these exercises, we have to figure out the triangles in which we are going to use all those criteria. So first, we have to find those two triangles, right? And then we can use criteria. We have these triangles. Okay. So you are from these diagrams, from these two triangles, what you can see, we have to prove whether they are similar or not, right? So in the first triangle, in the first triangle in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, what do you have? You have angle A equal to angle B. You have angle B equal to angle Q. These are all given, right? And then you have angle C that is equal to angle R. So then you can tell that these triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR by by AAA criteria, right? This is the first question. Here, yes, Rifa, is it
Yeah,
clear?
but how will we know whether we have to use the A criteria or SAS or
Yeah,
SS? Because they are not
yeah,
asking.
yeah. So you see that in this first question, angles are given, right?
So it's the first criteria.
Yeah, so it's because we have how many properties? We have AA, we have triple A, we have SAS, we have SSS. So if we have sides given, then we can use this property. If we have angles given, then we can use these are properties. So we have to decide on the basis of given things. Then we
So
can
in the
choose.
fourth question, it should be side angle side.
In the fourth question, yes. So yeah, that we have to decide.
Will that be side angle side?
Yeah, but
SAS?
your that is yeah, premonition is correct that it is looking like a side angle side. So we have to check, yes, so we have to check SAS in this case. Yeah, we have to check SAS. That is correct. Yeah, then the second question. What is the second question? So we have A, B, and
In the
I will not
internet, it is showing that there are 6.5 exercises.
yeah, in the internet.
Yeah, this is like the last exercise, right? 6.3. In the internet, it is like
Yes,
showing
what are you
to
saying, Arifa?
6.5.
Yes, yes. So it is showing that you have one more exercise.
Can you hear? No. Now I checked
Yeah.
like the PDF of
So yes,
triangle. So there is like uh exercise till 6.5. I don't think
oh, so
that's
can you check? Yeah, so can you
so.
check that is it nationalized 23, 24? Is that the chap? Can you go
Yeah,
down and see the last on the page? Can you go at
it's written
not down
2000.
and can you
It's
check what
written
is the date that they are mentioning?
2015 to 2016.
15 to 16. Now, yeah, so we have 20, 23, and 2020. That is the old yeah. We have been saved because of the new syllabus because in the old syllabus we have to cover those five exercises. Yeah, the older people or the people cover those exercise, right? So we have to not think about those chapters or those exercises because we only have these three exercises. Yeah, don't bother about that because that is not in the syllabus, right? Okay, so yeah, the next question. So this is 2, this is 3, this is 2.5, this is 6, this is 5, this is 4. So we see that what can we use from the criteria, what criteria we can use?
SSS.
SS, right? But the sides are different. So if I pick AB, right, then I have to pick this QI, right? So in triangle ABC and triangle PQR. I have to choose AB by QR. That is how much? That is 2 by 4, and that is 1 by 2, so 1 by 2. Right. And then what is the other side that I have to choose? What is the other side that I have to choose?
You chose AB by QR. You
Yeah.
you could have chosen AB by PQ also, right?
Yeah, but you see, if I choose AB by PQ, then if I choose BC by what? So then the ratios would be different. I have to pick the sides in such a way that they are proportional, right? So that is the thing that we have. We have to find out the corresponding sides. Corresponding sides we have to figure out. If I pick AB and PQ, so ratio would be 2 by 6, which is 1 by 3. It would be quite different from these other ratios. Yeah. Is it clear? Yes, Rifa, can you hear me? Is it clear? Hello,
Yeah, I didn't understand
Rifa,
the
can you hear me?
ratio.
Yeah, so in SSS similarity criteria, the criteria is that AB by whatever PQ, BC by QR, and C whatever AC, that is QR and BQ and what is the other one? PR. So all these ratios should be same, right? But you are saying that if I choose AB by PQ, so what would be the ratio? That would be 2 by 6, 1 by 3. Then if I compare it with BC by
So you are saying that we
so
should get the
BC
same
by
number, like
QR would be
1 upon 2.
2.5 divided by yeah. So side in such a way that yes, is it clear? Yes.
Yeah, your voice is breaking.
Oh, my voice is breaking lot. Why is that? So I have fixed 90.
Yeah,
Yeah, is it
hello?
still breaking? Yeah, is it still breaking?
No.
Yes, it.
Oh, so I was asking, so
Yeah. What you could ask? Yes, what
so
you could.
basically it should all of them should be equal, so they have to like have 1/2.
Yeah. So we pick those sites in such a way that their ratio remains the same. That is the idea, right? So we have to pick the corresponding sites. Otherwise, it will not be looking similar, right? So yeah, you can see from here that this side is proportional to this one, right? This one. The biggest one is 3, 1. The biggest one is this one. So these two should be proportional, right? We have to find the proportionality. That is the idea. Is this thing clear now? Yes, is it clear?
Yes, yes.
So now if I choose BC, then what would be the side that I would be choosing if I pick BC?
Oh, PR.
PR, PR, PR. So that would give me 0.5 by 5. So that is 1 point. Similarly, if I pick AC, if I pick
It will be
AC,
PQ.
yeah, absolutely. So that would be, so this would be 3 by 6. So we see that all these, if we compare all these things, this is 1 by 2. This is 1 by 2. This is 1 by 2. All these are 1 by 2. So we can write, therefore, we can write AB by QR. That is proportional to BC by PR. That is proportional to AC by BC. So all the three sides are proportional. So we can write triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR by SSS criteria. So you please note down these questions and rest of the question you try and then if you want the second. The rest of the question you try and if you face any difficulty, please note down these things. Yes, please note it down. Yeah, whenever you want me to slow down, please. One moment. Yes, noted. Whenever you want me to scroll down, please.
Yes, yes, noted.
Okay, so these things we have, yeah. What about these ones? Already noted.
Yes, everything.
Okay, so try all the rest of the questions, right? The third, fourth, fifth, sixth. And if you have any doubt in these ones, then please let me. Then we can discuss. So we will start from the next second question. Second question. Second question. In a triangle ODC and OBA, right? In triangle ODC and OBA. So ODC and OBA. Let us make this diagram in it, right? So this is 125, right? This is O, this is D, this is C, this is A, this is this is given 70 degrees, right? So we know that if yeah, so we have to find out what DOC, DOC. So for calculate DOC, we know that if this is X, then what is this angle? Yeah, what you call this property. So let's say this is 20.
It's vertically opposite.
Yeah, so then what is this angle? Yes, let me draw.
20.
Let's say this is 20, so this is how much?
It's 20.
20. Okay, total is how much? This total is how much?
That is 360.
This one, this not this one,
Oh, that's 180.
180, right? And you are making this angle, let's say 20. So this would be 180 minus 20, linear pair. These are linear pairs, right? This would be 160, right? Rifa, is this clear? This
No,
is
in the first figure, it looks like it's vertically opposite. That's why.
which one? This one. I'm asking about these two, not this one and this
Yeah.
one. This one and this one, they are vertically opposite, right? This one and this one, they are linear pair. This one vertically opposite. This one, these are vertically opposite, right? But this one, they are linear pair. Clear?
Okay.
So this one and this one, what are they? On this line. In this line, if I make this
They are
line,
linear pair.
they are linear pair. So this is 125. So this would be how?
125 minus 180.
180. Bigger angle is 180, right? So what is
55.
yeah, angle DOC would be angle 180 minus what is this BOC, right? Angle BOC, and we will write a linear pair. So 180 minus 125, and as you said, 55. This is angle DOC. Now this is done. This is what we have found. Now we have to find out DCO. So this is 55 This
Then
is, yeah, so let's say this is A.
DCO will be angle C, right?
Yeah, so we can write angle C, right? So let us write angle DCO.
So can we write 70 plus 55 equal to 180?
Yeah, so angle DOC plus
Angle C.
angle whatever COD plus angle ODC, that is 180, right? In
We can
PQ,
write
yeah,
70 plus 55 plus angle DCO
CO
or
plus
ODC.
yeah, COD is 5 and 70. So this would be angle DCO would be how much? 180 minus this is how much? 5 and 125. So again 55. Right.
Yep.
So, so now what is the angle that we are to use? OAB. OAB. Right. So in this figure, they have already told us that ODC is similar to OBA. Right. ODC similar to OBA. So whatever this angle is, right? Whatever this angle is, that would be equal to this one. So if this is this
55.
if this is 55, so this would be again
So this.
yeah, angle OAB. That would be
So then we can say that angle D, which is 70, is
equal to this.
also angle B is 70.
Yeah, so angle B and angle D, these ones are equal. Angle
Yeah.
D are equals this one equal, and this one. So we can write angle DC equal to what OAB, angle OAB by CPST, corresponding part of similar triangle. So then angle OAB would be how much? That would be 55 degrees. These are please note it down, and if you have the doubt, please let. Yeah, whenever you have noted it down, please. Yeah, whenever you have noted it down, please that.
Finished.
Yeah, so the third diagonals AC and BD of trapezium ABCD with AB parallel to DC intersect each other at the point using similarity criterion for triangles show that OA by OC, OD by OD. So this thing we have proved in the previous exercise using VPT. Using basic proportionality theorem, we have proved this thing. So now we will prove this thing using the similarity of triangle. So we have ABCD. So ABCD trapeze, right? And these are the diagonals. These are the diagonals. And this point is, so we have to prove, we have to prove that OA by OC equal to OB by OD. And what is given? Given is that ABCD is a trapezium and AB parallel to DC. These are the things which are given. Now, what can you tell about? So we have to pick two triangles in such a way that that triangle contains OA, OC, OB, OD. So what can be those two triangles that you can pick? Can you name them? What would be those triangles? What would be
Two
those triangles?
triangles which have OA and OC,
Yeah, two triangles
which is
which have OA, OC,
ADC.
OB, OD. All these things. ADC, let me just
In ADC, we can have OA and OC.
ADC. Uh, I'm talking about separate parts, right? Okay, let me just paint this picture and you tell me that what can you tell me about those two triangles? If I pick those two triangles, will those contain all the things that you require? Well, what about these two triangles? What can you tell about them? Yes. Does these two triangles contain all the AO, OB, OC, OD, OC? Does they contain all those things?
Yeah,
Yes. Yeah. So we will pick these two triangles. So in triangle AOB,
but you said only one triangle.
no, I was saying two triangles. Triangles.
I heard only one, so that's why.
Yeah. I was saying those triangles, right? Those triangles. Okay, in AOB and whatever DOC, right? So this these two angles, this one and this one, what can you tell about them? Whenever you have
They
this,
are alternative interior.
yeah, they are alternate interior angles, right? So angle A, or let me write it as angle BAO equal to angle OCD, alternate interior angle. Similarly, what about these two angles? This one and this one. Angle A equal to angle ODC again and angle AOB equal to angle DOC vertically opposite angle. So then we have in these triangle AOB is similar to triangle DOC by SSS, not S, these are angles, right? A, right, right. So if these angles are equal, so this angle, right, this angle is equal to this one. So what is the corresponding part of this angle? This side, right? And the corresponding part of this angle is opposite to this side. So this would be BO by OD, right? So BO by OD. That would be equal to, and I have to pick which angle. So then I have to take AO. So for AO, what about this angle? So this angle is equal to this angle. So opposite to this angle is this side. Opposite to this angle is this side, right? So AO by OC. So AO by OC and by CPST, corresponding part of similar triangles, right? So if we rearrange this thing, what they wanted us to
Is
do,
it CPCT?
CPCT is corresponding part of congruent triangle. We don't have congruent triangle. We have similar triangles, right? So what is the property of similar figures that we have understood in first exercise? Whenever we have similar figures, so their sides ratio are proportional. That we have understood, right? Corresponding sides
Yeah,
are,
in the SSS.
yeah, because, yeah, so CPST. So if we arrange it, right, so that is it clear? Yeah, please note it down, and if you have any questions, that
Mm.
Yeah, whenever you have noted it down, please that.
Finished.
Finished. Okay, so yeah, we will stop at here, right? And in the next class, we'll complete the question. So you also try few questions, and yeah, in the next class, we'll try to